Welcome to Physics and Mathematics lovers. In today's class, we are going to look into this question. Let us solve this exponential equation. We are having 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x equal to 64 raised to the power 1 over what? X. So let's start by, first of all, simplifying the left-hand side. And then secondly, we are going to express everything to the power of 2, okay? Since we are having here as the base 2. So inside 64, we can also express it to be what? 2 raised to the power 6. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So multiplying into 6 places, it will give us what? 64. Now let us simplify this here. We can factor out the common thing. Look at this, 2 raised to the power x is a common factor here. Look at here. So if I do so, I can bring out 2 raised to the power x, then to what? Take it out, have 1 plus 1 inside, then equal to. Let us also represent this one, this 64, by 2 raised to the power 6. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power 6. Then we're having 1 all over x outside. So now you recall, when I have a raised to the power n, then n, another power here, is going to give me what? A raised to the power m n. So in that case, so 1 over x will be multiplying by 6. So here we're going to have 2 raised to the power x. 1 plus 1 here is 2, multiplying 2, then equal to here 2 raised to the power x. 1 over x times 6 is going to give us 6 over what? X. So here we are still having power 1, 2 raised to the power 1 there, though it's not visible. Now you can recall when we have a raised to the power x times a raised to the power y, we take the common base, we say a raised to the power x plus y. This is another law. So which means here, this is a dot product. So we are going to express this one in this form. So which will now give me 2 raised to the power x plus 1, because the power here is 1, then equal to 2 raised to the power 6 over what? X. So this base and base can go, so that we'll now have x plus 1 equal to 6 over what? X. So make this one to become over 1. Let's cross multiply. When we cross multiply, I'm going to have x into what? X plus 1, then equal to what? 6. So when you multiply, open the bracket, distribute x to the whole thing in the bracket, you're going to have x squared plus x equal to what? 6. So let us solve this. We are now having the power there as what? 2. It becomes what? A quadratic equation. So let's take this 6 to the left. We have x squared plus x, then minus what? 6. Now let us look at how we can factor out this. Then become equal to what? 0. Now, solving this quadratically, the easiest way, just open your brackets, then open another what? Bracket. Then equal to 0 here. Now let us look for the product. Take this to multiply this 6. It will give us 6x squared. Okay. Now the product is negative, and the sum here is just 1. So we are going to be looking for 2 factors of negative 6. 2 numbers that will multiply to give you negative 6. Of course, it's either negative 2 and positive 3, or negative 3 or positive 2. Those are the 2 factors that can multiply to give us what? Negative 6. Now it then means when I add those 2 factors, will it give me a positive 1? Because here is positive 1, that is 1x. So in this case, if the product is negative, take note of this today. When the product is negative and the sum, this is called the sum here, the sum is positive. So one of the factors must be negative. Then the bigger factor becomes positive. So which means I am going to have plus 3 and what? Negative 2. Yes, because 3 times 2 will give me negative 6, okay? Then 3 minus 2 will give me what? 1, equal to what? 0. So quadratically, x plus 3 equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to negative 3, or x equal to what? 2. So these are the 2 factors which will satisfy this equation. You can check on your own if -3 can satisfy it or +2. So check any of the values of what? X. This is how far we can go in today's lesson. If you find this class very interesting, please help us to share this video to get to a greater number of people across this platform. Bye.